this video, I will teach you how you can add your own media. I will edit the post I have been working on in my previous videos and click on this button right here, Add Media, and I will start by uploading an image. So I click on this link, Upload Files, and then you can either drag and drop files directly into this window, or you can click on this button, Select Files. It doesn't really matter what you choose, just choose whatever is the best option for you. And I will just grab an image here. And you can see, yeah, it's loaded really quickly. And you can actually filter your media. So I can filter by audio and video, but I don't have any of these files uploaded yet, so it will only show my images for now. Okay, so the title is the text that shows when a user hovers your image for a while. So you don't need a title if it's not giving the user any additional information. But let's say a river at Ose. So now the user will know where this photograph is taken. And then I can add a caption. And a caption is a title that will be shown either above or beneath the image, depending on how your theme is set up. And alt text is text that will only be used by blind users and search engines. So it's really important to add. So I will add a nice short description of what this image is about. A river at Ose. And I can add some more information here, which will be visible at all times. So if you have a description here, you don't really need a title right here. So I'll just remove that one. Okay. And you can choose how you want to align the image. So if you choose left, your text will wrap around the image at the right side. So let's have a look at that. You can choose where you want to link your image. So you can link your image to your attachment page, which opens a new page on your website, which will only display the image. And not all themes support this. And you can choose media file, which is the image itself, so it will probably just open the image in a new tab in its original dimensions. Or if you have a lightbox installed, it will open as a lightbox. And you can choose a custom URL, and then you can actually link it to wherever you want. or you don't have to link it to anywhere. And you can choose what size you want it to be. So large, medium and thumbnail are predefined sizes, and you can change these predefined sizes in your settings, which I will explain in a later video. Let's try this for now. There you see, the text wraps around the image. And there you see. Alright. And you can also see that something weird has happened to my thumbnail, or my featured image. So I will just remove that for now. And I will add no, actually I will edit this image and I will try center align it, so you can see what happens. There you go, and you can see that its title here. You cannot see its description, and yeah, this is what happens when you click on it. Some themes do display the description, but this one doesn't. You can align it to the right, which should be pretty obvious. And you can also do some additional things, like choose to open the link in a new window, add stylings to it, a CSS class, add your own image dimensions, stuff like that. You can delete it by hitting this. So let's try to add a music file. And we will insert it into our post. And it will open. Let's see. So you can see it works. Okay, but there's a problem with music files on the internet, because you may think that everything works fine if you use MP3 on your website, but it doesn't actually do that, because some web browsers don't support it and it's not open source. So you may have to pay in order to use it, and perhaps you have a WAV file or something else, and well, music files on the internet is quite a mess for now. So you can read this article. I will post it in the description on YouTube, so you can reread and get more information about it. But what I would suggest for now is to, for example, use a website like SoundCloud, and then you can easily click on share, find the iframe code, copy it, paste it in, okay, and this does not work, as you see, and the reason is because I pasted it in my visual editor. So in order to make this work, you would have to click on this text tab and you must paste it in like this. And there you see, it looks different. And as easy as that, you can share music on your website without having to worry about whether your user has a browser that supports it, etc. Okay. And you may ask yourself, what about videos? And that's a good question, because videos are also a mess on the internet. So I would advise you to upload your videos on a website and just include an iframe. So it's the same procedure as we did with the music. You just go to, for example, YouTube, click on share, and you get the iframe code. And you just choose text, exactly the same. And there you have your video. And you can take a look at these attributes. You can change these so you get a wider video or a higher video. So yeah, low full screen. You can do some stuff here with the YouTube implementer, but I won't go into detail with that in this video. Okay, so that's actually everything I know, except one more thing, and that's how you can add a gallery. So let's have a look at that. You can click on this one, create gallery, and you can start by marking your images, and you can click on create new gallery. You can also add a caption, and you can drag and drop them to arrange them. And you can choose where you want these images to link to and how many columns you want and whether you want to show them in a random order. And this is how it looks. Real simple. And one last thing is that you can insert images from a URL. So let's have a look at that. Let's say I want this image to show on my website. I would copy the image URL and I would paste it into here. And there you can see it right away. And I will just insert it. And this is my proof. Alright, so that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.